Hello everyone, welcome back to Kredict. Today we have got an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be walking through the process of setting up a Metamask wallet right here in Chrome. Whether you are new to cryptocurrency or a seasoned pro, Metamask is an essential tool for managing your digital assets. So let's dive in. Before we get started, let me give a quick overview of what Metamask is. Metamask is a crypto wallet and gateway to the decentralized web. It allows you to manage your Ethereum based assets, interact with decentralized applications, and securely store your cryptocurrencies. Okay, so let's see how you can install Metamask in Chrome browser. For this, open a new tab, go to Chrome Web Store, and search here Metamask. So the first option you can see here is Metamask. Click on this. Click on this button says add to Chrome, add extension, and wait for it to complete. So now Metamask is added to our browser and it's automatically open. So let's get started. Click on this checkbox, I agree, and click on create a new wallet. Read all through this and click on I agree. For Metamask, you have to create a password. So let me type one for me. Okay, click on I understand and create a new wallet. If you want, you can watch this video and see how to set up the wallet, but for now, click on secure my wallet. Okay, so this is important. Metamask provide you with a secret phrase, or you can say secret recovery phrase, which can be used to access your wallet. If you lose this phrase, you will lose access to your wallet completely. And treat it like password. Don't share it with anyone and don't store it someplace where anyone can read it. So when you click on this, make sure nobody is looking. So let me click on this. Reveal secret recovery phrase. So this is my secret recovery phrase. You will get something different. Just make sure to keep it safe. Let me save it somewhere. Okay, I saved mine. When you save your phrase, click on next and it will ask you to confirm the phrase. So let me type. So when you type correctly all the words and click confirm. Wallet creation successfully. Congratulations, we have created our Metamask wallet successfully. Just click on got it. Next, done. For now, just close this. Open new tab. And to access Metamask, click on this extension and pin this here. Click on this icon. So here you have installed your Metamask successfully. So congratulations, you have successfully set up your Metamask wallet. Take a moment to explore the features within the Metamask interface. You can view your assets, send and receive transactions, and even explore decentralized applications directly from here. And there you have it. Setting up Metamask in Chrome is just that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kredict, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any question, or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in the next video, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy crypto adventures.